Hello friends, and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Well, in this video we'll see a very interesting feature of OnePlus phones that I don't know whether you know or not that in a OnePlus phone there is a native screen recorder. Well, how to use that recorder or find that screen recorder app, I'll tell you. You don't need to do anything because it's already there installed as the native app in your phone, in your OnePlus phone. Well, I'm using OnePlus 5T phone here. So you just have to go to this settings, not exactly settings, this notification page. Here, as you can see, there are a lot of quick shortcuts are available. As you can see, these are the 9 shortcuts 12 shortcuts that are available. So you need to hit this pencil button. Pencil button is edit. So once you hit this pencil button here, all the additional shortcuts will also populate here. So once you do that, you can see there like NFC, OTG, do not disturb, all these things are here. Also, if you just swipe it right or left or right, you can see there are more options coming up like screen capture, screen recorder, floating toolbox, all these things. So this is what I was talking about. A native screen recorder app is already there, or option is already there in your OnePlus phones. What you'll be doing, it's writing like hold and drag to add tiles. So just hold and drag where you want to take. So for example, I want to just take it to the second page of my notification window. So since there is no space here, so I'll be taking it to the second page of notification. So here we go. I have got the screen recorder. So this is the feature I was talking about. So let's experiment with this. Let us use this screen recorder to record screens. I'll do one thing. I'll open this. Okay, I have to close this to once again use the screen recorder. So now I can click on this. It's requesting permission like screen recorder needs access to the following photos, media, files on your device, permission to record audio, capturing everything that is displayed on your screen, grant network permission to check for updated versions. Okay, fine. Always agree, no problem. So once I do that, here you can see this window is coming up. This is the recording window. This is the settings. This is the cross. If you want to cancel this recording. So if I go through the settings here, you can see the resolution you can change. It is already taking this resolution. I will rather go to something lesser. Okay, let it be this. Even 4K recording is also available, 3240 I'll go for simple HD because I don't want this recorder to eat up all the space of my phone memory space. I'll go for this HD recorder. Resolution, bitrate, number of frames. One thing that I advise all of you, because for my first recording it did not record audio because it was not taking internal audio, rather it was this option was on like microphone audio. So it's like if you want the phone's own audio, like one webinar you're attending, you want the voice of that person who is speaking on the webinar, then you have to click this internal audio. Or else if you are saying something, then this microphone or voice and surroundings have to be chosen. So for now, I use the screen recorder to record whatever comes in my mobile, whatever sound as well comes to my mobile. So I'll click on or hit this internal audio, and show touch operation means this thing will be shown. If you don't, then this will not. So I'll retain show touch operation. Pause recording when screen is off. Okay, you can choose. So all these options are coming in setting. So let us start recording. For a start, I'll start recording this. Let's see. So as you can see, I will start my screen recorder now. I hit that button. It has turned into this pause symbol. The timing is also shown here. So the recording has already started. So I can open something here, like this calculator. I will do something on the screen. 7 into 9 into 6 plus all this, etc., etc. Let me see again. ACE 789 into 56 equal to, okay, I'll go further, I'll go back, I'll open something else, for example file manager. I'll see, I'll go back. Okay, so this is what I had recorded. I'll stop now. For stopping, I have to just click here, and either I can pause, screen recording has been paused, or else I can completely stop as well. So this video is saved to gallery, so I want to see the video. Let's see. As you can see, well, there was no external microphone, so it has taken the internal audio, which was almost nil. There was no sounds of my phone except some notification. So you can see it is already automatically moving on. The screen is recorded, as you can see. Had there been any sounds from the phone like media files or something, it would have been recorded. Since I have chosen not to record the mic, rather to record the internal sounds, so there was of course no internal sounds as well, so there is no sounds for this recording. So friends, this is how you you can record your screen on OnePlus devices. So friends, I hope this video was useful. If you found this useful, please like this video, please share this video across various platforms, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment to get more of such videos, little technical videos to make your digital life simpler and easier. So till our next video, keep watching Infotainment. We'll be coming up with more of such helpful videos. So till our next video, see you again, see you soon. Thank you.